we're going to take the derivative of y equals x cubed times sine of 1 over x. We can see that we have a product here, so we're going to start this with our product rule. There will be a chain rule in our product rule, but we'll deal with that when we get to it. So dy dx. Product rule says leave part alone, so I'm going to leave the x cubed alone, times the derivative of sine of 1 over x. So here's where our chain rule comes in. The derivative of sine is cosine. Leave the inside alone, times the derivative of the inside. We'll take that in the next step. Plus, now the other side of our chain rule, we have the sine of 1 over x times the derivative of x cubed. And since we're already have one derivative taken the next step, let's just write that down. Now, as a reminder, 1 over x is x to the minus 1. So when we go to take this derivative, it's just a power rule. So you have x cubed, cosine of 1 over x, the derivative of x to the minus 1. You bring the negative 1 in front, so that makes a negative x, and then you decrease the exponent by 1. Negative 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Plus, now here we've got sine of 1 over x, and the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Now, we're going to be able to do some simplifying. First off, we have a negative, so we've got to account for that. But x to the minus 2 and x cubed, when multiplied together, that's basically x cubed over x squared. That simplifies down to just x. So we're going to have a minus x cosine of 1 over x plus, and then the 3x squared I'm just going to write out front, sine of 1 over x. And then sometimes you don't like have that negative outside, we could always write these in the opposite order. So you could always do 3x squared sine of 1 over x minus x cosine of 1 over x. In both cases, we have the correct derivative. It's just now we don't have that negative out front. It's put over here, and we don't write the positive.